Hey guys, this is Kyle from Lingo. We have with us here arguably one of the most leaked phones of 2019, and that is the Pixel 4. Now, the Google Pixel 4 comes in three different colors. You have just black, clearly white, and of course a limited edition called Also Orange. Now personally, I was really excited to get hold of the orange one, but unfortunately they were actually out of stock. So at least we've got the just black version with us here. So let's find out what's included inside the Google Pixel 4. Now I'm opening up this box for the very first time. I'm really excited to see. Now as we open this up, we are greeted with the back of the phone. You can see straight away the camera up here. This is the first time that Google is implementing two different lenses. We'll get right into that in a moment. And yeah, let's just open this up. Now what a satisfying feeling to always peel off the plastic for the very first time. Yes, the just black version, in fact, at the back is actually a glass glossy finish. You'll be happy to know, for those people who actually prefer matte, the clearly white version, which some people call Panda, and the also orange version is actually matte at the back. Okay, and looking at this, the fingerprint scanner is also now gone. Just put this aside for now and check out what's actually included in the box as well. Documentation, SIM tool. You've got your USB-C charging cable, and we have the dongle here, which converts from a USB Type-C to a Type-A. So that's if you're actually wanting to do any data transfers, whether it's a thumb drive or you're actually migrating over from an old phone. Lastly, we can see that here is the usual charging adapter. As you can see, there is no earphones included in this particular Pixel 4 this year. Now back onto the phone. Let's just switch this on for the very first time. Oh, what a really nice color contrast with the power button here. So if you're getting the just black version, your power button will be white. So we're turning this on for the very first time. Now, first impressions, you can see that the top bezel is slightly thicker than the bottom chin. I'm not too sure if people will be fancying this design, but rather now when you're holding it one-handed, I think it'll be easier to reach to the bottom of the display if you ever need to. So that's a plus, I guess. Now over the next few weeks, you'll be excited to try out some of the new features on the Pixel 4. The brand new camera has an Astrophotography Mode, and as well as the Pixel 4 is also the first smartphone to ever feature a radar sensor, and that is what Google calls motion sense. So we'll be trying these features out in the next few weeks to find out how they actually perform on this new device. So do stay tuned for our new videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our videos when they do get uploaded. We hope you've enjoyed our short little unboxing here, and this is Kyle signing off.